Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I am going to show you how you can clear the cache and cookies in Google Chrome. So the method is super simple, so let's get started. First of all, you will click on these three dots right here. Go to More Tools and let's click on Clear Browsing Data. In the Time Range tab, select All Time and check the relevant boxes, and also click on Advanced tab, and here it is, cached images and files. Just make sure that it has been checked, and the relevant cookies and other information if you want to remove that as well. And let's click on Clear Data and click on OK. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can clear the cache or the cookies in Google Chrome. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.